In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an image background in Word. Have you ever been working on a Word document and wanted to remove the background from an image without switching to another software? Well, today I'm going to guide you through doing just that, using only Microsoft Word's built-in tools. First, you'll need to insert the image you want to edit into your document. Begin by navigating to the Insert tab at the top of your Word document. From there, select Pictures, and choose the image you want from your device. Once your image is placed within the document, make sure to click on it to ensure it's selected. With your image selected, you'll notice a new tab has appeared at the top called Picture Format. For some versions of Word, this might appear as Format under Picture Tools. Whichever it is, click on this tab to get started with editing. Within the Picture Format ribbon, look for the option labeled Remove Background. Selecting this will take you to Word's Background Removal tool. Now, Word will initially try to detect and highlight the image's background areas in magenta. These are the portions it presumes you want to remove. However, the tool isn't perfect and might make some mistakes, either by including parts you want to keep or by overlooking areas you want gone. This is where you'll need to step in and make adjustments to get that perfect edit. To do this, use the Mark Areas to Keep option. This allows you to manually draw on and identify parts of the image that were incorrectly selected for removal, essentially preserving important details. Conversely, if there are areas that Word didn't catch, use the Mark Areas to Remove tool. With this, you can highlight additional segments of the image that still need to be removed. It's a bit of a dance back and forth, ensuring that you've got only the parts you want highlighted. Once you've made your desired adjustments and are satisfied with the selection, it's time to finalize. Simply click on Keep Changes, and Word will remove the background from your image based on your refined selections. But don't worry if things didn't turn out perfect on the first try. You can easily backtrack by either using Undo or clicking on Discard All Changes to start over. Finally, if you wish to use this edited image elsewhere, Word allows you to save it. Right-click on the image, and from the drop-down menu, select Save as Picture. This way, you'll have the background removed version safely stored for future use, extending its utility beyond just the document you're working on. And there you have it. With a few straightforward steps, you've learned how to remove an image background directly in Word. It's a nifty trick that keeps your workflow smooth when editing documents. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.